Okay, $13 ratcheting screwdriver. 6 bits up at the top. One's in the tip. You just rotate this around and select whatever bit you want. It is difficult to get them out. A little difficult anyway. Has a storage compartment in the bottom too for 6 additional bits. And it has a big open bottom so you can put whatever you want in there. $100 PB Swiss. Ratcheting. Has a bit compartment that drops out. 10 bits. And does work flawlessly. But again, $87 more than this guy. What would you guys pick? Or what would you spend your money on?